Rule number 2 starts with our angles. Now, the first angle you want to pay attention to when you are welding is the approach angle of the nozzle. Okay, the nozzle has to stay at 3/8 inch distance for your stick out. When you are going into any angle of welding, no matter what it is, you're always splitting that angle in half. So if you are going 180 degrees into a weld, maybe doing some surface welds, you want to split it 90 degrees. If you're going into a 90 degree, you want to split it 45. Okay, so your setup is going to be perpendicular. Now, why is this? Well, first and foremost, you want to heat up both pieces of your base metal evenly when you are welding. As you are moving through the weld zone, you also want to keep even, consistent pressure on the puddle as you are going with your shield gas. So you want to keep the heat going. You want the shield gas to help with penetration as well, keeping that arc focused on what you're trying to penetrate into.